Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today I'm talking about an air purifying system. It's called EnviroKlenz Mobile System. Many times in families and in households or in a work environment, there are people with allergies. Little known fact, more interior air is polluted worse than outside. These pollutants can be odors, pollens, bacteria, chemicals. Many things can come inside a structure, whether it's an office building, a retail store, or your family's home. And new technology has brought in amazing air filters. I'm looking at EnviroKlenz today because I believe it's the best in the world. They've developed filters that are hospital-grade HEPA filters. The filters take out the particulates in the air with the latest technology, and they also have added UV lights to again clean out the bacteria and those filters, to sanitize them, and then it gets filtered again. It's a two-filter system with UV lights. This small EnviroKlenz mobile system can clean 1,000 square feet of air. So in the largest room in your house, maybe that's your living room with high ceilings, it will clean all that air. I like to have these in the bedrooms as well. The air that comes through the windows and also maybe chemicals I've used to clean and other factors can be cleaned. So I have fresh air all the time in my bedroom because when I sleep at night, some of that air isn't the cleanest. I live by a busy road. There's also mold spores that can easily grow in my bedroom because I live by the beach. Cleaning fluid odors, kitchen odors that might float to my bedroom. There's all kinds of things that are contaminants in my air environment. Households are filled with these type of contaminants. Life brings these into our indoor space. Let me show you how this works. To set up your EnviroKlenz mobile air system, remove the back thumb screws. This will take the back panel off. A few twists and it's out. Do both sides. Pull out and down. The lights are easy to insert, and I suggest you don't touch them. Maybe use a paper towel to insert them. Now place your EnviroKlenz filter into the slots. It glides in easily and make it flush to the edge. Next, we're going to put in the HEPA filter. This is the gasket side. This will face down. It fits perfectly within the housing, and slide it all the way into the back. It's got a nice fit. And how it works is the air will enter the EnviroKlenz air system through the top vents. Then the air is pulled through the EnviroKlenz cartridge down to the center section. The air will then be drafted through the HEPA filter, and while that's happening, the UV lights will kill the contaminants in the air, the bacteria and other things you don't want to breathe. Those lights will shine and radiate down on that collection site. Because of the space between the EnviroKlenz filter and the HEPA filter, the lights have a lot of time to get to those air particles and clean them up with those UV rays. The air will be circulating, and then through the HEPA filter it goes. And then out the front, the air comes out that's been cleaned. To finish your install, you just lightly screw in the wing nuts until they're just touching the top of the HEPA filter. Just like that. Now the other side. And right when you feel the contact, you know you're done. These gold bolts are to secure the housing and to take off when you want the housing off. Your install is complete, so place the housing back on. The top of the panel slides and fits under the top lip of your unit, and the bottom of the panel fits securely and rests on the bottom of the unit. In go your gold bolts on each side, so twist them on securely. And until your thumb screws are in, it will not operate. That's why we couldn't see the lights. Those UV lights kill the bacteria and the microorganisms. It would not be healthy to look at the UV lights, so EnviroKlenz has thought of that safety feature. And place your EnviroKlenz mobile air system in the room you like. I like to keep it in my bedroom. I plug it into the wall, and the controls are right up front. And when we turn on the UV lights, the green indicator shows that those lights are working within the unit. The Wisp Air controller goes from off to low to medium to high to max. You'll hear the air go through the system. On low, you can barely hear it working. It is so whisper quiet. Medium has a little more sound. High is audible, as well as max. The max sound is only like a fan within the room. It's a very nice white noise sound. And with this piece of printer paper, let me show you how the airflow works. That's on max, that's on high, that's on medium, and that's on low. It's a much more gentle air. This system will move 250 CFMs of air. The HEPA system combined with the UV lights removes a broad spectrum of chemicals, bacteria, and contaminants from the air that you breathe. And with the UV light, it'll destroy the contaminants, and the HEPA filter will filter them out, so you're not going to be breathing those bad things and pollutants in your air for you and your family. With just an air filter, you're just going to be removing the particulates. But with the EnviroKlenz cartridge, chemicals, odors, and other liquid vapors can be captured and neutralized. And this cleansing process is done without any introduction of a harsh chemical to do it. It's done naturally in a green, environmentally safe method. So you and your family members that have allergies can be sure that the dust and pollen is all removed from the air you're going to breathe. And even pet dander, that all contributes to allergy symptoms. This EnviroKlenz mobile system of an air purifier is the way to remove all those things from your household so you and your kids have less allergy attacks. Save those for when they're playing outside. The design is simple and elegant, and it's easy to operate and maintain. It provides a high air exchange and air movement in your home. Bad air in your environment can cause many illnesses like dizziness, headaches, difficulty breathing, irritated lungs, and worsening of asthma symptoms in case you have someone in your family that has asthma. And in my household, I do a lot of cooking, so I like to be able to roll this into my kitchen and use that for when I'm frying bacon or maybe making something on high like a steak that needs to sear. Kitchen fans only get so much. I love how it removes odors too, like from chopping onions and cooking onions. And cleaning my kitchen with a lot of bleach gives me a terrible odor that's so unappetizing. It's wonderful to have the EnviroKlenz mobile system so I can clean the air quickly. It rolls around so easily, I'm able to quickly push it into the room I want to use next, which is my bedroom at night. And it's great for the living room. It gets all that airspace clean and smelling great, even if I'm cooking in my kitchen. Click the link below to get your EnviroKlenz mobile system air purifier. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, just in case for some reason you don't want it. I've been using it and loving it, and I think you will too. Comment and tell me, what pollutants are you worried about in your home or in your office? Do you have allergies? What helps you with that? I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for clean air with our EnviroKlenz mobile air system. It's so strong I can even sit on it and roll around. It can hold me. If you like this video, check out these others. They're on other great household appliances that'll make your life better.